I am Professor Dr. Sachidanand Prasad, Head of the Department of Chemistry, PNK College H1, Paliganj, Patna. Today I want to give information to the topic crystal field theory. This topic is related with the chapter coordination compound and very useful for the students of ISC and BSc. The persons who are interested in chemistry may also study for the increase of knowledge. If this study material is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Crystal field theory CFT. This theory considers metal ligand bond to be ionic, arising from electrostatic interactions between the metal ion and ligand, where ligands are treated as point charges. In case of negative ligands like Cn- ion, the interactions with metal ion are ion-ion interaction. If the ligands are neutral molecules like NH3, the interactions with the metal ion are in ion dipole interactions. For example, number 1 CO3 plus ion arrow Fe minus ion interaction. Point 2 CO3 plus ion arrow NH3 ion dipole interaction. In case of free metal ion, the free metal ion, the 5d orbitals have the same energy. These 5d orbitals dxy, dyj, dxj, dx square minus y square and dz square are called degenerate orbitals. On the approach of ligand, the electrons of orbital of metal ion will be repelled by the lone pair of the ligands. The repulsion will raise the energy of d orbitals if all the ligands approaches the central metal ion are the equal distance from each of d orbitals. The energy of each orbital will increase by the same amount due to spherical and symmetrical field of ligands. Metal ion is at the center of octahedron and the 6 ligands represented by point charge lie at the 6 corners along the 3 axes x, y and z as shown in figure 1. The energy of any electron present in dx square minus y square and dz square will rise due to electrostatic repulsion, but approaching ligands can sneak part away into the region between the lobes of the dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals, so that the electrostatic repulsion between the negative charges of the ligand and electrons in these orbitals is minimized. Thus, the d orbitals of metal ion are split up into two subsets. Number 1, the higher energy of Eg subset, dx square minus y square and dz square. And 2, the lower energy of T2g subset, dxy, dyz, dxz. तो हो गया फिर से फिगर 1, 6 ligands approaches through x, y and z axis. These axes are on the diagonal of a sphere of a square as given in figure. Structure of d orbitals. The shape and structure of 5 d orbitals are as given in below. In this figure, dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals have the lobes between x, y and z axis. But in dx square minus y square and dz orbitals, the lobes of these orbitals are on the axis x, y and z. The splitting of 5d orbitals of central metal ion in octahedral field is as given in figure 2. Under the influence of the ligands, the d orbitals are split into two groups of different energy, Eg and T2g. It is also clear that the energy of Eg subset is higher than T2g subset in octahedral field. It is seen from the figure that in an octahedral field, the energy of each Eg orbitals is plus 3 by 5 delta O or 0.6 delta O or plus 6 dq above the average d orbital energy E2, while that each T2g orbital is minus 2 by 5 delta O or minus 0.4 delta O or minus 4 dq below. The energy difference between the Eg and T2g orbital subsets is known as crystal field splitting energy CFSE and denoted by delta O equal 10 dq in case of octahedral complex. In figure 2, different energy of 5 d orbitals of metal ion are as shown in figure, in which E1, E2 and E3 energy levels explains that degenerate state d orbitals of metal ion energy is G1. At T2 energy, average energy in a spherical crystal field, which is higher than E1. The splitting of d orbitals in octahedral case, in which T2g group is less than E2 energy level, and Eg orbital have plus 3 by 5 delta O. Total difference between E1 and E3 is expressed as delta O or 10 dq. Figure 2 explains the splitting of d orbitals of metal ion due to approach of ligands.